Do you know that the 2025 Audi Q6 Electric SUV is set to revolutionize the electric vehicle market with its cutting-edge technology and design? It's not just another SUV, it's a game-changer. In this video, you'll take a virtual factory tour of the 2025 Audi Q6 Electric SUV. We'll be showcasing how this innovative vehicle is made from start to finish. Trust me, you don't want to miss this inside look at how Audi is pushing the boundaries of what an electric SUV can be. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's dive into the challenges that manufacturers face when producing electric vehicles like the Audi Q6. First off, sustainability is a huge concern. With climate change on everyone's minds, car manufacturers are under pressure to create vehicles that not only perform well but also minimize their environmental impact. Then there's efficiency. Electric vehicles need to be optimized for battery life and performance, which requires cutting-edge technology and engineering. And finally, meeting consumer demands is no easy feat. Today's drivers want more than just a car that runs on electricity. They want performance, safety, and style wrapped up in one sleek package. It's a tough balancing act, but Audi is rising to the challenge. Exploration/development. Now that we've set the stage, let's explore the different stages of the manufacturing process. It all starts with design, where Audi's talented team of engineers and designers come together to bring the Q6 to life. They use advanced computer modeling and simulations to create a vehicle that's not only visually stunning but also aerodynamically efficient. Once the design is finalized, it moves on to assembly. This is where the magic happens. The Q6 is meticulously assembled using state-of-the-art robotics and a skilled workforce that ensures every detail is perfect. Quality control is also a critical stage. Each vehicle undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets Audi's high standards before it ever hits the road. It's a complex dance of technology and human skill that results in a world-class electric SUV. Climax/key moment. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the first fully assembled 2025 Audi Q6 rolls off the production line. Picture the excitement on the faces of the team as they witness their hard work come to fruition. This SUV is packed with features like an impressive range, cutting-edge infotainment systems, and, of course, that unmistakable Audi luxury. It's not just a vehicle, it's a testament to the dedication and innovation of everyone involved in its creation. You can really feel the pride and anticipation in the air as the first Q6 takes its place in the world. Conclusion/summary. So there you have it. We've taken you on a journey through the factory where the 2025 Audi Q6 Electric SUV is born. From tackling challenges in production to the thrill of seeing the first model roll off the line, it's clear that this vehicle is set to make a significant impact in the electric vehicle landscape. Audi is not just keeping up with the trends, they're setting them. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the 2025 Audi Q6? Are you excited about the future of electric SUVs? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights into the automotive industry. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.